Welcome to the world of nature's finest masterpieces. Today we are counting down the top 10 most beautiful birds on earth, a celebration of color, elegance, and pure natural wonder. Get ready to be amazed. Starting at number 10, the resplendent quetzal. Native to Central America, this bird was once sacred to the ancient Maya and Aztecs. Its shimmering green feathers and trailing tail make it a flying jewel of the rainforest. At number 9, Wilson's bird of paradise from Indonesia. With electric blue skin, yellow back, and a mesmerizing spiral tail, this tiny bird is a living work of art, and its dance, nature's own performance piece. Number 8 is the Atlantic puffin, often called the clown of the sea. Their colorful beaks and expressive faces make them both cute and captivating. But don't be fooled, they're expert swimmers and skilled hunters. At number 7, the iconic peacock. Its extravagant tail, iridescent blues and greens, and hypnotic eye patterns have made it a global symbol of beauty and pride. Graceful and striking, the flamingo takes our number 6 spot. Their pink plumage comes from their diet, and their synchronized movements create breathtaking displays. Number 5 is the Rainbow Lorikeet, native to Australia. With an explosion of colors, blue head, orange chest, green wings, this parrot looks like it flew straight out of a painting. At number 4, the keel-billed toucan, often called the flying banana. Its oversized, multicolored beak is both bizarre and beautiful, perfect for attracting mates and crushing fruit. Number 3 is the mandarin duck, with an elegant mix of orange, blue, purple, and white. It looks too perfect to be real, but it's very real and breathtakingly so. Taking the second spot is the hyacinth macaw, the largest parrot in the world. Its deep cobalt blue feathers and striking yellow accents make it an unforgettable sight. And at number 1, the greater bird of paradise. Native to New Guinea, this bird's vivid plumage and theatrical dance rituals are like something from a fantasy world, proof that evolution can be truly extravagant. From shimmering feathers to dazzling dances, these birds remind us just how extraordinary our planet really is. Which one took your breath away? Let us know in the comments